Now this is the Moto Razr 2023. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset. In other words, if you have pattern or password fingerprint and you can't unlock the phone, I'll show you step by step how you perform the factory reset through the recovery mode. Make sure to subscribe to Variety Stick, give me thumbs up to encourage me, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now just before we start, quick disclaimer: doing hard reset means you will lose all the information because it's similar of doing factory reset. In addition to this, you are required to use the same Gmail account if you have one synced on the device. Now the steps are so easy if you just follow my instruction. First of all, you need to shut the phone completely off. But Moto Razr, if you have a pattern, password, and even if you're trying to attempt to shut the phone off by pressing power and volume up, just like this, you won't be able to, because you still have to put the pattern or the password. So in this case, we don't know what the password, we don't know what that pattern is, so we have to do something else. What we need from you now to press, hold, power with volume up together. Now once you see the screen turned black, you have to immediately remove your fingers from the volume up and the power and press very quickly on the volume down and power key at the same time, and then you're gonna feel the phone vibration. Now the time to remove your finger from the power and hold on the volume down. So let's go ahead and do this together. So first step is going to be power and volume up. Now the screen should turn black. Now immediately remove your finger from the volume up and the power and press on the power and the volume down. The phone will vibrate immediately. When you feel the vibration, remove your finger from the power and hold on volume down, and that should take us to this screen. Now from here you can navigate through the volume up down key, and we need to go to recovery mode. To select, press the power key and wait a few seconds. Now you're gonna get no command screen. At this point you need to press power and volume up. First power and then volume up, power, volume up, as you guys can see, and this will take us to the recovery menu. Here we got a bunch of options, and you can still use the volume up down to control. So we need to go to wipe data factory reset. Now to select, you have to press the power key. Go ahead and do that, and then you're going to get confirmation warning you're going to lose everything on the phone. So if you're sure you want to do this, go ahead and select the power key and choose factory data reset. Now the phone could take up to a couple of minutes to complete the whole process. Now immediately the phone's going to take it to reboot system now, and then it's going to take another 2 to 3 minutes to complete the factory reset, and your phone will be back as new. I wish you guys find this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and we will talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta